For a lot of our patients, visiting My Local Vet is a really fun experience for them. They get treats, they get pats, they might get an injection, but then they get treats. For other pets, it can be really anxiety provoking. And so we want to do everything we can to try and make that experience not as negative. We've gone to a lot of trouble to accommodate anxious pets, starting with the design of the building. At the front of the clinic, there's a seating area so that dogs that are reactive can wait outside, and then we have an intercom so we can talk to the client and say, okay, we're ready to have Timmy come through. We even have a secret passageway for dogs that can't see any other dogs, and when the consult's finished, they can walk back out that secret passageway of their car. At My Local Vet, we see our patients every 6 months for a health check, and that's so that we can identify small problems before they become more serious. For our really anxious patients, often the conscious examination is not very informative because they've got a very tense abdomen, they may not let us look at their gums, their heart rate's going to be super high. The other thing we recommend for all of our patients above 3 years of age is annual dentistry. During a dental procedure, the patient is anaesthetised. We probe around every tooth and we x-ray their mouth. And that's the only way we can understand what the extent of dental disease is. We also obviously descale the teeth to clean them, and then we polish them as well. For extremely anxious pets, we've developed the Anxious Pet Annual Preventative Healthcare Program. This program allows us to do a full examination, annual dentistry, as well as administer our flea and tick injection, our heartworm injection and vaccination, all under general anaesthesia. This involves the client giving their pet some anti-anxiety medication at home. They'll then bring them into the vet clinic and we'll give them a single injection to help them relax and fall asleep. We can then pop in an IV cannula and take them through to the treatment room. We will then do our annual dentistry under general anaesthesia and at the same time perform our thorough examination. So we would check their eyes, we would look in their ears, we would do a full comprehensive oral health examination as part of our dentistry. We would also feel their abdomen, do a digital rectal examination, feel all of their lymph nodes and a musculoskeletal exam as well. The Annual Preventative Healthcare Program for anxious pets is a really great addition to the services that we offer at My Local Vet, and we created that program to make sure that their experience at the vet clinic just doesn't have to be so scary.